Welcome to Greater Zion, where adventure meets breathtaking beauty. Today, we're exploring the Vortex, also known as the Bull and Camelback Trail. The Vortex is found in the Red Mountain Wilderness. This moderate hike offers incredible views, unique sandstone formations, and a sense of wonder around every corner. From Bluff Street, continue onto Highway 18. As you pass through Dameron Valley, look for Lower Sand Cove Road on your left. Follow the dirt road for 5 miles until you see the trailhead. Or, for a more scenic route, take Old Highway 91 through Gunlock State Park, bringing you straight to the trailhead. The roads are paved and easily accessible for all vehicle types. The trail is ideal for adventure enthusiasts from all walks of life. Dogs are welcome, provided they remain on leash in most areas and are cared for responsibly. Here's what to bring for your unforgettable adventure. Staying hydrated is essential when hiking in the desert heat, so bring plenty of water. Don't forget sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat for sun protection. Rocky and rugged terrain requires sturdy hiking shoes. And don't forget snacks, they'll fuel you through the finish line, and make sure to carry out your trash. This trail offers a diverse landscape from ancient lava flows to sandy walkways. This 2-mile trail starts with a river crossing and begins to weave through lava rocks and Navajo sandstone formations, offering a steep incline that leads you to the summit. Even though the trail is well marked, it's easy to lose your way on the sand-covered footpaths. Keep your eye out for cairns, which will guide you in the right direction. Download the trail map to ensure a smooth journey. While you hike, you'll encounter stunning views of Greater Zion's red rock landscape, with the Pine Valley Mountains in the distance. It takes the typical hiker around 2 hours to complete this trail. And at last, you've made it to the Vortex, a natural bowl formation carved by centuries of wind and water erosion, making it a true geological marvel. And the reward for your effort? An unforgettable view that stretches for miles. On your way back, take your time and enjoy the scenery. Remember to leave no trace and respect the land so it remains for future generations. The Vortex Trail offers a rewarding challenge and a chance to escape into a red desert paradise. So what are you waiting for? Make the most of your adventure, stay a little longer, explore a little deeper, and discover everything that Greater Zion has to offer. This 2-mile round-trip trail starts with a river crossing and begins to weave through lava rocks and Navajo sandstone formations.